Hi everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2013 Mercedes-Benz AMG G63 G-Wagon. This vehicle comes in a blue exterior with a black interior. AMG styling throughout, sunroof, additional AMG badging. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back here. So we got more of the AMG badging, Mercedes-Benz G63. Take a look at our trunk space here. And we'll take a look at our rear seats. Leather styled throughout the vehicle. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And we have memory seats on both the driver and passenger side with the seat controls right here. Driver door controls. Driver seat. Steering wheel. And let's go ahead and hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 36,703. And we have a turnkey ignition. Beautiful V8 engine. So you can see our display here. Navigation, backup camera, radio, and of course you can control all of that with the AMG styled command module here. And below that we have various traction modes. We've got all your climate controls down here as well. Emergency brake, and let's see, the signature G-Wagon handle there, power sunroof controls, all kinds of good stuff. If you'd like to see any additional photos and get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.